Have you ever wondered how the transatlantic slave trade, a historical event of such magnitude and complexity, unfolded over centuries? Today, we delve into this intricate web of human transactions that spanned continents, cultures, and kingdoms. Imagine a timeline stretching from the 15th to the 19th century. This period witnessed a colossal human tragedy, the transatlantic slave trade. The first to delve into this dark commerce were the Portuguese, who, in the 15th century, began trading with African kingdoms. From the verdant shores of West Africa, they transported enslaved individuals to Europe and beyond, marking the beginning of a grim era. African societies, too, played a part in this trade. Slavery existed among them long before the Europeans arrived. Individuals captured from rival tribes or seized during warfare were often sold into slavery, a practice that, unfortunately, found a ready market with the advent of European traders. As the timeline progresses into the 16th century, we see the rise of European colonies in the Americas. Spain, Portugal, England, France, and the Netherlands. They all sought cheap labor for their burgeoning economies. Plantations, mines, and labor-intensive industries all thrived on the sweat and blood of enslaved Africans. However, it wasn't just the Europeans who bought these enslaved individuals. There were instances where Native Americans became slaveholders too, whether through direct participation in the slave trade or interactions with European colonists. They too found themselves entwined in this grim network. And then, there were the European merchants and traders. Apart from the colonial powers, these merchants bought enslaved individuals for resale in the Americas, further fueling the trade. The transatlantic slave trade, as we see, was a complex network involving multiple actors. Its dynamics varied across regions and time periods. From the 15th century, with the Portuguese initiating the trade, through the rise of European colonies in the Americas, to the involvement of Native Americans and European merchants, each played a role in this historical atrocity. The economic, social, and cultural consequences of this trade continue to shape societies today. Indeed, the threads of this dark tapestry are woven into the fabric of our present. Efforts to address its legacy are ongoing as we strive to understand and learn from our past. In summary, the transatlantic slave trade was a complex, multifaceted operation involving African kingdoms, European traders, colonists, and indigenous peoples of the Americas. It spanned centuries, leaving a profound impact that continues to resonate today. As we untangle this intricate web, we gain a deeper understanding of our shared history, and in doing so, hope to build a more informed, empathetic future.